Alright then, let's do some trading. If you want to learn where I started trading, you can check out the link in the description. So we're at Lingfield, it's the 28th of December. I'm going to use £100 stakes. In this one I'm going to use the little offset, the global settings here on the BetAngel. You can tinker with it and set it different ways so that it automatically offsets your trade. It's quite a good way to do it just because it offsets a trade much quicker than you can do it manually. It just means you skip ahead of the queue and you get a good position basically. So I'm just putting myself in a few positions there just to get ahead of the queue. Let's see. So you can see there's been no drastic movement on the first and second favourite. Third came in quite a bit, as you can see, and then went out again. So I'm just going to bide my time on this one and see what happens. Usually, it's always the same. At 5 minutes, things start to really kick off, so I'm just going to sit and wait and see what happens. So you can see a small chunk is being taken there on the third favourite. Fingers crossed it gets offset quickly. Which it is, that's good. Favourite's coming in. Now this is a bit risky of me here because see on the resistance point of 4, it's already been through it before. So from my experience that means that the second time around or the third time around it doesn't take as much to break through because it's already been through it. So whenever you're trading in the resistance point like this, if it's already been through it, just be careful, okay? Because it can shoot through it very quickly. I think I'll pop in a little trade here on the third favourite, just to see if it keeps coming in the way it has. It's quite tricky sometimes trading and thinking and trying to talk at the same time. Just going to move that to a different screen here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to put a little exploration trade here on the third favourite, just to see if this continues, because it does look like the favourite's going to drift. But we'll see. Now it can be quite tempting in this situation to so for example, let's say you think that this third one is going to come down. It's quite tempting to then also place a late trade on the favourite, because if you think it's going to go out, but then it's very risky trading two the same horses when they're both reacting to each other in the way, because if you get it wrong, you will get a double wrong, which means you will get a double loss. So whenever that happens, I suggest you just stick to trading one horse. If you trade multiple horses, I've done it before where sometimes you get it wrong, like I have now on the third favourite. It goes against me, and then the other horse also goes the completely other way, and you end up losing twice as much as you should. So at this point you can see I need to make a decision now about this one, because it might keep drifting out, which it probably will, so I might just have to get out of this one. Especially because it's at the crossover point of the 5 and 6, and I don't want to take a larger loss than I need to. Yeah, I think I'll just get out on that one. Just, if you're not sure, just get out. I'd rather have a small profit or a scratch than an irritating, stupid loss. So you can see here, I probably made the right decision because it might keep going, but we'll see. But in the meantime, I'll try and scalp out a quick little tick on this one here. This one, that's odd. I placed a bet there, but I didn't take away the... Okay. So yeah, you can see on the third favourite, that was the right decision. Because had we hung on to that position, now we'll be in a big red here. So we definitely made the right decision about that one. And the same principle applies here. On this here, I made a wrong decision. So I'll just get out. I'm not going to linger, just for the sake of hoping. And the race is about to go off. Not the best execution, but £4 is £4, okay? So, yeah, thanks for watching. And if you want to learn to trade in a safe and proper manner, then check out the link in my description, okay? Thanks.